So your flower number 3 and 4 are exactly alike. So we're gonna do both of them together. Same kind of petals as last time. Again, what I like to do is align all the petals together. And you can do it 2 at a time or 4. I think 2 at a time is better. Again, put your glue stick in the middle and kind of press the flower inward. Okay, and press the flowers up. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to the next ones. And with your finger, kind of press each petal so it's more shaped inward. And press the petals, each petal up. Okay, and we're going to separate these gently. Notice that one of them is bigger than the other one, so the bigger one always go in the bottom when we're gonna glue it together. Let's shape our stars again. Kind of like fold it inside and press all the petals together and kind of roll it to shape. Same thing with the next. Do that to the other flower. Last one. Now let's glue our stars. And again, use your glue stick so you're not reshaping the flowers. And you can twist with your glue stick if you need to move it. Let's do that to the last petal. And what you can do is grab all the little petals like this and then put it in the middle. That way it stays up better, it shapes better. So that's the first one. Do that to this, and again you can hold it. It goes like that. Put a little glue. And go like this. And with your glue stick, you can place it. Do that to the last one. Now grab the bigger petal for the bottom and the smaller one, put some glue in it, and place it like this. And now we're going to glue the star in the middle of our flower. glue stick to place it where you like. And we're gonna do that one too. Make sure the bigger size on the bottom. Gently grab the smaller star and place it in there. And here's your flower number 3 and 4.